after the Supreme Court passed the order and asked the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) to conduct a probe in late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's mysterious death, Kangana Ranaut took to Twitter and lauded the move. Kangana, who had made explosive allegations against Bollywood's bigwigs, hailed the SC verdict in the case and called it a huge victory for millions of fans. In a tweet, Kangana said that humanity wins and congratulated each one of Sushant Singh Rajput warriors and added that for the first time she felt such strong force of collective consciousness. Soon the actor also called out Deepika Padukone, who spoke about depression around June 15 and had urged fans to spread awareness about mental health right after the news of Sushant's tragic demise broke on June 14. A few days after Sushant's mysterious demise, Deepika had taken to social media to raise awareness about depression and mental health and posted about the same. Taking a jibe at Deepika, Kangana tweeted in Hindi. Let's have a look at Kangana's tweet. Referring to Deepika Padukone's depression claim in 2015 to 2016 after breaking up with Ranbir Kapoor in 2008, Kangana also added, if Deepika Padukone says she suddenly got depressed for a breakup which happened 10 years ago, they believed her, and so she asked to give her and Sushant the same respect if she says she's not mentally ill or if Sushant's father says he wasn't mentally ill. Why were they forcing illness on them? Speaking to a news portal, Kangana mentioned how everyone was trying to dismiss Sushant as an alcoholic, drug addict, rapist, and a mentally ill person. Furthermore, she slammed all those people. Talking to an entertainment portal after Supreme Court's decision, Kangana said that her happiness knows no boundaries right now because for the first time she feels a sense of collective consciousness, like collectively every individual has made it happen and how everyone stood up for Sushant. The way outsiders are treated or the less privileged ones who get the raw deal. But in this case, the entire globe supported and not just India.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.